Sorry. This was a mistake. Just go. I'll be fine. Just need some time. Hold him off. It's all your fault! Can't trust anyone! Thank you, Kizzy. And forgive me.
Something is wrong here. You can feel it too, right? Get ready. It's coming through. Run. It's out of here.
Another failed attempt.
Your mess.
You! It was you all along, you bloody monster. Wait, no! What have you done?
Turn it on, now. That was the only way. You will understand. In time. To reach the desired, we have to find strong allies. You told me this might be one of them. This way, though this is the only way.
Stay away from him. You have no idea what he's done. Hey there! I see you have found a new hand for your grab pack. This is exactly what can help us defeat Pianosaurus. Let's go! Behind this wall is a secret passage right into his hideout. Keep going. You need to...
Biological entities detected. Extraction initiated.
Get out of here.
Do you see that huge pile of trash? Why don't you check it out? I require your assistance. You must run.
You are irrelevant. Only parts matter.
I'll distract him. Find a way out.
Buddy, I'm here. The beast is here somewhere. I've seen him.
You will serve me well again.
Run! I'm a dead man already.
These parts will serve me.
They all mistake me for someone else, but I'm only trying to help thee. What is it doing here? Haven't you defeated him before?
Hey, it's you. Thank you for saving me back there. I am in your debt.
My master ordered me to capture you.
It's him. You need to get me out of here.